Hello and welcome to the section 2 of the course Access Controls Part 1. Now in this section we are going to take a look at various points. We are going to learn about what is access control and what are the basics of access control. Let's start with the first video, section objectives. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. We are going to learn about the objectives of this section and I'm going to explain the points. So now let's talk about the objectives of this section, or what we are going to learn here in this section. So first of all, we will learn about what are the authentication factors available inside organization. We will also learn about the trust relations between organization and the users. Then we will learn about the subject-based and object-based access control. We will also learn about MAC and DAC, then role-based and attribute-based access control, and finally access control management lifecycle. So these are the objectives of this section.